Hi Sarah. I had this problem trying to extract some data from this website. I need to make it into a certain format for code, like this, which is 2 columns, no spaces, all capitalized. How do I do that in Excel? And I want to be able to use my own dashboard, i.e. select the indicator type in column J3. The best I could do was use a filter and select either indicator or overlay, kind of manual, and then do a search replace to remove all the spaces, but then I'd still have to figure out how to capitalize everything. Using Accelerate ML, let's capitalize everything first. Then let's select the rows which have a type equal to whatever's in cell K3. Now it starts to become a dashboard, and you can change it. It's completely dynamic. We want to get rid of these spaces though, so we do that using this search replace function. Okay, all the spaces have gone, but now I just want the first 2 columns. So we can just use these take columns function, and now it's completely dynamic in the nice little user interface that you've created, and you've done it without any coding.